Hello friends! Welcome back to our Explore You Ever channel. When people think of Indonesian food, the first dish that often comes to mind is Nasi Goreng. But Indonesia's culinary world is far more diverse than just one famous fried rice. Spread across more than 17,000 islands, this incredible country is home to hundreds of regional specialties, colorful street foods, and centuries-old cooking traditions that have become favorites around the world. Today, we are diving into the true culinary heart of Indonesia Satay, Indonesia's legendary grilled skewers. We begin with one of Indonesia's most famous street foods, satay or satay as it's known locally. This delicious dish consists of bite-sized pieces of chicken, beef, lamb, or even seafood, carefully marinated in a blend of garlic, coriander, turmeric, lemongrass, and sweet soy sauce before being threaded onto bamboo skewers. The skewers are then grilled over hot charcoal, allowing the smoky flames to create a beautifully caramelized exterior while keeping the meat juicy and tender inside. But the true star of satay is its rich peanut sauce. Made with roasted peanuts, garlic, palm sugar, chilies, and coconut milk, the creamy sauce delivers the perfect balance of sweetness, spice, and nuttiness. Nasi Goreng, Indonesia's national favorite. Our next culinary treasure is the dish that has become a symbol of Indonesian cuisine around the world, Nasi Goreng. Often called Indonesia's national dish, Nasi Goreng is much more than ordinary fried rice. Cooked over high heat in a sizzling wok, the rice is stir-fried with garlic, shallots, chilies, vegetables, eggs, and your choice of chicken, shrimp, or beef. Its signature ingredient is sweet soy sauce known as kicap manis, which gives the rice its rich dark color and slightly sweet smoky flavor. A perfectly fried egg is usually placed on top, while crispy prawn crackers, fresh cucumber, and tomato slices complete the meal. Martabak, Indonesia's favorite evening street snack. Our final stop introduces one of Indonesia's most exciting street food experiences, martabak. As evening falls, the aroma of freshly cooked martabak fills streets across Indonesian cities. There are two popular varieties. The first is martabak telur, a crispy, savory pancake stuffed with minced meat, eggs, onions, and fragrant spices before being folded and fried until perfectly golden and crunchy. The second is martabak manis, a thick, fluffy, sweet pancake filled with chocolate, cheese, peanuts, condensed milk, or even modern flavors like Nutella and matcha. Freshly sliced into generous squares, martabak is often shared among family and friends, making it one of Indonesia's favorite late-night comfort foods. Why Indonesian street food is special? Indonesian food is special because it combines centuries of tradition, regional diversity, and bold tropical flavors into every meal. From bustling night markets and roadside food carts to family-owned eateries passed down through generations, every dish tells a story of Indonesia's rich cultural heritage. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Explore You Ever channel for more amazing videos about food, countries, and cultures from around the world. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.